Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl SJ, and I'm doing a simple, very simple DIY today. I've got my Dollar Tree mirror, I've got one of my face place mask, and then of course I got my Brilliant Gold. Picked that up out of Walmart. If you watched my previous video, you know this came out of Oriental Trading. And then of course that's the Dollar Tree. Alright, so we're going to start off by painting this face mask gold. You are going to need some E6000. And what we're going to do is paint this gold, and then we're going to secure it to the mirror. I got the mask taped, and what I noticed is using that E6000, I guess it went over toward the side. So what I'm going to do, and I've already started here, is take my glitter glue, and then I'm going to go around the sides of this picture. So since this is going next to my big wall picture, it'll actually match without me having to use that little gold tape. So if you notice around my wall picture, I have this. But I didn't want to put this in there because it would set the color of the color of the Dollar Tree off and the color of the mask off. So that's why I'm just going to go around and go with the glue glitter just to kind of cover up some of this. Here's what the finished product looks like. After taking the glitter pen and putting it around the sides so that you didn't see the clear from the E6000, I end up doing the eyes. I still cannot figure out what to do with the eyes. So I just went on and glittered around them and then glittered a little mouth on there. And I'm going to show you what it looks like hanging up next to the big wall picture. Here's what the mirror looks like that I'm hanging it up next to. It's going to go right here. And I just want to tell you, I do this stuff for real life, okay? And, yep, this is it here. And it broke when trying to put it on there. I lost my frame from it breaking, and then it also cracked. So I'm going to redo it and then put another one up. But I just wanted to show you that things like this do happen in real life. Real fam, do not let the fact that I broke my mirror discourage you. Things like this happen in real life. If you think it's perfect every time, you better ask somebody that's been doing it forever and ever and ever again. I do this stuff so it can be on my wall. So hopefully you liked it. And definitely make sure you hit the comments and look in the links description below for the big wall mirror. And my mask will be up there shortly. But thanks for watching. Real beauty, real food, and real life. It's your girl SJ here.